Largest insurer of Gulf, Qatar Insurance Company is going to have a joint venture with Cosmia to foray into general insurance business in India. As per our sources, Qatar Insurance and Cosmia has already filed for R1 license for general insurance company. Qatar Insurance to have a 40% stake in the joint venture and Cosmia to have less than 50% stake, and there will be few other stakeholders also in the new proposed general insurance company. So as we know that now the FDI limit in insurance has been increased to 74%. From year 2014 till now, around 55,000 crore of FDI has come into the insurance sector, and after the opening up of insurance sector up to the 74%, there are few insurance companies, global insurance companies are interested to invest in Indian insurance sector. Apart from that, there are few regulatory changes has also happened in last few years. That is also attracting global insurers to foray into Indian insurance sector. So Qatar Insurance is going to have a joint venture with Cosmia to start a new general insurance company in India.